Hello my friend, happy 4th day of Christmas. So today I will be going through my beauty products and basically telling you that they're no longer good. I'm decluttering them out of my life. They will be thrown away because almost all of these things are expired or they just don't look good anymore. It's a shame when things get expired and you love some of the stuff you've had for so many years, but with this video, I've learned that you just can't hold on to things that are just not good for you because they're expired. So I hope you enjoy watching this one, and I hope you and your family are doing really well and keeping warm. And with all that said, I will start the video right now. Okay, so the 4th day of Christmas, it's my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, and the 4 calling birds are the 4 Gospels written by Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. So they're the ones that did do that, and you can find their written Gospels in the New Testament. I think from what I can remember, Saint Matthew, is he the longest, or is it Saint John? I think Saint Mark is the shortest. I'm not too sure, don't quote me on that. I think I might be confusing myself altogether. So those are the simple facts of day 4. Yes?
Are these all the little name tags they have?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can I need some?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, I'm
you
gonna
can use them all.
those. What's it called?
So for today's video, I will be showing every old makeup product I own and that I am going to be throwing away. So the lip products, they're old in a sense that they don't smell good. There's some things that are separated and really past their expiration date. So I won't go into much detail of each product because we'll be here all day, but I will show you each product that is not good. So we have the Joan, I think. This is a lip stain. Flower Beauty lip gloss in the shade Pretty and Petunia. NCLA Beauty Balm Babe 100% natural lip balm and pumpkin spice. A Timeless Organic Skincare Lotion that's expired on October 2021. This is a YSL Blur Primer, expired in October 2017. This one my friend Dee gave me, and I have not used it, and I think it is expired because it says it's a 12-month shelf life. This is a Hard Candy Sheer Envy Setting Spray. Peter Thomas Ross Cucumber Gel Mask. Adela Organic Skin Detox Rehab Mask. Like this. Oh, it's built. Oh, great. On my clean bed. Of course, it has to happen. So I have a Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes. A Flower Beauty Lip Gloss in the shade Autumn Rose. Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder that expired in July 2017. Bless Jelly Glow Peel Exfoliator. A limited to Glam Lip Gloss. A Carmex Moisture Plus Lip Balm with sunscreen. A Fresh Rose Face Mask with rose petals. I've got 3 NYC Glossy Lip Balms. LA Colors Cream Gel Blush. I have some samples, not good. A Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Finishing Powder. I have a e.l.f. matte lip color, and this is in the shade called Wine. Neutrogena Revitalizing Lip Balm. A mini sample of Becca Love Skin. This one I did finish, but this is a Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. Did finish the cream side, but not the glitter. Another mascara. This is from L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original. This is the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte and Perfection. This is a L'Oreal Glossy Balm in the shade Lovely Mocha. I almost did finish this one. This one expired in September 2018. Becca Roller Lash Mascara. A ColourPop So Juicy Gloss. You can see, that is separated. Horrible. A Hershey's lip gloss from the Dollar Tree. Charlotte Ronson, A Summer's Kiss. This has been with me for so long. It's time to let it go. 2 foundations. And this is a Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. And the Maybelline Superstay. Expired on August 2017. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Like I said, it's a bit hard to get rid of things that are no longer good anymore. But it's time. It's time to refresh my collection and let go of the things I did love. You know, like this lip stain, I think I pretty much almost finished it. And then these Flower Beauty lip glosses, like I bought them when they first released in Walmart. So they all have like a bittersweet memory linked into some of these items, but I know that these items are just items, and I could definitely discover new favorites in the future. So I hope this motivates you to look into your own stuff and see what you could pass along or just get rid of. It's good for the mental health, and you know, knowing that you did declutter things that had value, but you could let it go. So I will say goodnight now. May God bless always. Take good care, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.